Guys, I'm going to talk a little bit about investing here. Um, so during a crash or a false crash, what would you buy to save face, save your portfolio, whatever, make some money? Well, the big thing right now is what I look for is 52-week lows. Stocks that are on basically hit their all-time lows. More than likely, you'll see a dead cat bounce. And you can either day trade that or you can sit in it for a while and swing trade it. I'll do a lot of swing trades. Here's an example. DNR. I mentioned this in one of my posts prior on Instagram. It hit 17 cents, which was like the all-time low. Now today it's all the way up like 30%. So, you buy even a grand worth, $1,000, you're up 30%. That's $300. So you just made right there. $300 profit off the rip. You buy 10 grand, you got three grand profit right there, right off the rip, in a matter of a couple of days. Now oil, Trump, I believe he just met with Putin or Russia about it to try to fix prices up, and that should save oil. And then in the long term, like I'll say 3 to 6 months out, at least by summer, August, oil should skyrocket, I believe. Right now, nobody's really driving or anything, but you still have a lot of things operate on oil and gas, so they should bounce back. There's just no way in hell that Saudi Arabia and the likes will just let oil rot. Like they'll have to come to some sort of agreement that will fix prices at a higher rate than what they are. Will it go back to all-time highs like it was back in like '07, '06? Probably not, but it'll see a nice pop, I think, within the next 6 months. Other stocks to get involved in are stuff like NVAX, NVAX, GILD. Those companies are all looking for vaccines for this corona crap, and I wouldn't do a long-term investment on them, but I would, ride it out. There's a couple other ones that are also doing the same thing. You'll see it like on the news if you use a scanner. Those are the main stocks right now. Biotech companies. Metals should have a nice pop, I think. I don't know what the deal with silver is. I mean, it's moving up a bit, but it's not as big of a jump as I thought it would be. It's kind of crazy right now. Like even JM Bullion, the big companies that sell silver, they're pricing it at like $5 to $10 over spot, which is like a 30% markup price. So I wouldn't really buy necessarily now unless you can get like $1 or two, maybe $3 over spot. I did see some good prices on the 1963 Kennedys from some sellers. Those are probably your best bet in terms of getting silver at near spot. I saw a place on Etsy selling them for like $8, and I think the retail value is like 7. But other places like on eBay were selling them for like 13, 14, and people were just buying whatever because they think, I guess, the dollar's going to crash or whatever. So I wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, but it's definitely worth picking up some just in case. Rather be ready than be a sitting duck. Have something at least to go off of. That's going to conclude this. I'll probably do another video update tomorrow in the morning just to watch some pre-market runners and whatnot. Peace.